Watch this video to learn how to make your fried dumpling, a fried dumpling that is crunchy on the outside, soft and fluffy in the middle. Subscribe to my channel for my new upload. Thanks in advance. We have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to add some butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use butter or margarine, anyone you have, it's okay. So I'm going to use my hand to crush the butter out in the flour. You want to make sure you do this until all the butter is mixed right through the flour. So now our butter is completely mixed right through the flour. We are going to go ahead now and we are going to use some milk. We are going to need our flour with some milk. The milk is going to make your fried dumpling soft and fluffy. It's going to help, by the way, because with the butter and the baking powder, everything combined together, going to make your dumpling taste really nice. So now I'm going to use my hand to finish, bring the dough together. We want to make sure we need our dough soft, but not too soft. This is okay here. We're just going to sprinkle some dry flour so we can work with this dough. So we're going to need this for about 1 to 2 minutes. So we are going to dust our working surface with some dry flour, and we are going to go ahead. So this is what the dough look like. This is what your dough should look like. You see how soft it is? This is going to give you a nice soft fried dumpling. Soft on the inside, a little crisp on the outside. So for it to be a little more easier to work with, I'm going to sprinkle it with some flour. To make your dumpling properly, you're going to make sure your hand have some dry flour. You're going to break your dumpling, roll it in your hand, and you're going to work your finger in the flour right around, and you're going to roll, then you're going to flat. See? Then you can do like this right around the edge, just to give the edges a little flatter than in the middle. The flatter your dumpling is, the faster they will fry. And if you want to make some small fried dumpling, you're going to make a small piece like this, and you're going to roll it in your hand like a ball. You can flatten it a little bit. There you go. So we're going to leave this dumpling to rise a little bit, maybe about 20 to 30 minutes before we fry them. So now we have to carefully to watch the stove. Maybe we have to play with it a little because we don't want to get our fried dumpling too dark, and we want to make sure it's soaked. So you might need to play with your stove a little. definitely don't want our oil to be frying our dumpling too slow, because what is going to happen, the dumpling is going to suck up too much oil. So you want to make sure it's on a level that is frying high enough. So this set of dumpling is ready. About 2 to 3 minutes on each side, your dumpling is ready. So we are going to add some cheese to our dumpling. So let's say you want to have some fried dumpling and cheese. There you have it, guys. That is my fried dumpling. You got the big one there. We are served up with some cheese, and there you have the small fried dumpling here. These are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy in the middle. Now guys, go ahead and try yours and drop a comment below. Let me know how yours came out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if it has been an help to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. You for me to show